Hey, it's been a minute, y'all. It's your boy E. Hey, I'm caught over there getting ready. So my boat went down towards the end of last year, like right when the winter started to hit. Man, we're out here today and we got to do some work on the boat. Tournament season for, all the John Boat crew is starting probably in like 6 weeks, man. So we got 6 weeks to get this thing together. So it's not really that bad off, right? Like everything up here is good. The deck's still a little wanky. The motor should still work. This little Nissan back here, hey, she runs. But yeah, let's look at these tires though. So this is what we're kind of working with. The bearings are gone. This thing blew right out. I had a video of this happening and a while ago. I posted it on Facebook. So we got to get this tire off and see what this looks like and buy this whole new part and get it put on. Both my tires are flat, so that's like one piece, and then this other tire is flat as well. So I'm running on flat, so I'm probably gonna have to replace both tires for sure, and then I think I'm just gonna replace both bearings on this, and hopefully the axle is good. So that's kind of where we're at right now. So that's where we're at, man. So we're gonna get started. We got a long day ahead and we only got like 20 minutes to get something done. So yeah, let's get it. Big ball shot call.
Nuts. Normally I'm like, okay, cool, how am I gonna fucking pay off this this damage I did on the Platinum?
What?
I don't even know how to help you out with this.
Just I guess pull it forward. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go a little bit more. You going? You good? Yeah, just pull it down. I haven't backed the trailer up in a minute, boy. I might be a little rusty. A little rusty.
We don't even have to do any of that. There's a back camera too.
Yeah, but I ain't put it on it.
Yeah, but when you set when we set it down, we'll push it over. Yeah.
I didn't want to hit it because it was on the flat.
Hey.
But this spot little, baby. You think I should push it over some more?
No, I think once we take it off, we'll be able to like kind of like pull it over. And I think it's perfect.
That's your stove? Yeah, honey. Yeah, I can't believe they put me in this itty bitty ass spot. I know I got a 14-foot John Boat, but god damn. Alright. Alright. Now we got a pop trunk, get some tools, and try to make this happen. Bro, it's so cold. This right here, you talking about this?
Yes.
You need me to hold the boat? Hey, we get progress. We gotta do this quickly. Cause as soon as that sun go down, it's about to be cold in the motherfucker, y'all. Hey, we getting there though, baby. If anybody knows about how to do this for please comment below very quickly, because I'm probably gonna order some parts in like 2 or 3 days after I post this video. So, or maybe I'll put the parts I order in the video. I don't know, but yeah, let me put this on the ground so I can help. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do.
And you can go out and get the jack ready.
Let me see. Yeah.
Yeah, lower the jack and then find a place for to put it. That way we can lift it up.
That would sit in the car.
There it is. That's a good.
I feel like I ain't doing no damn work, but that's why I called it. I'm with Dakota. Hey, you might be a handyman, low key.
Shit.
But you say you grew up doing this stuff.
Yeah, I grew up pissing my dad off.
Fucking shit up.
Fucking shit up.
That's how you learn it, though.
one time he told me to bring a car up, and he's like, yeah, put that the starter like it's like a starter spray in the carburetor, and I had the wrong fucking spray. I was spraying carburetor spray in there, cleaner, and he was like, no wonder this shit ain't fucking starting. You've been putting fucking carburetors cleaner in that bitch instead of fucking starter shit. When I tell you,
he was hot, huh?
hot as a motherfucker. I was working on this car for some fucking reason.
So do you want to
So
start lifting it up first? What do you want to do first?
let's see.
I can get down there. Hold on.
I think anywhere on the trailer would pretty much be fine.
But I don't think it'd be tall enough there.
We don't need to be. I think this can go up high.
I don't think. Think so?
Yeah.
Hold it really high and hold it because this is gonna stay lifted.
So this is not gonna hold for the whole time. I mean, it could. My thing is we need to find like a center block out here.
Oh,
like
put
put
some
some
center
blocks
blocks down after we lift it.
Yeah, put that bitch on blocks because we gotta. This won't hold it for a long time. I mean, I think it could since there's no hydraulic in it, but at the exact same time.
Didn't they used to have a bunch of center blocks over there?
Yeah, look at that right there.
I swear they used to have a bunch. You want me to go find center blocks?
I mean, a center block would be great.
I'm gonna go find some center blocks. Oh, right here. What about these?
That could work, yeah.
But we need more than that, huh?
Two. I mean, it just depends on the height of where this is at.
Ooh, that one'll work.
Yeah. You going to the thing? What's that tire?
Ooh, we getting some height. Look at that boy getting off the ground. Houston, we have a little bit more. And we got lift off, baby. We good. So tight. Car off the whole bearing. Come on.
It looks like it's about to happen.
Huh?
That's what it looks like it's about to happen. I mean, the tire's about to slide off. That's it. Yeah.
Ooh, that axle look black. You see it?
Yeah.
All right, we're looking for blocks. We got tire off. Boom. Now we got to get to this. This bearing, it looks terrible. Look at this, super loose. This what we were riding on when all this broke and caught fire. Hopefully nothing's wrong with the axle, but yeah, man. Hopefully I can find a part number on this so I can get another one. But kind of just gonna take pictures and figure out which one we need. But we need one for this side and we need one for that side. So got our work cut out for us. Let's see if we can go find some blocks. We're running out of daylight. So whew. We're gonna have to do both of them. That other one looks better than that. Right here. Hole's almost done. Gotta pop these pins, huh?
Underneath, is that a Phillips or you got a flat? Yeah, flat.
No, I got it. I got it, yeah. I just pull it straight out.
I'd pull it straight out. That bitch is in there. Maybe you could stick the head in there. All along. And kind of
You see?
stick like a little cottering pin.
First piece. Don't know what it is, but we're gonna keep all our pieces though. I gotta know what I need to buy. You think so?
No, sir. This shit is not coming off. You ever got a grease stain on your shirt?
Uh-uh. You got it?
Mm-hmm. It's just that it was so tight right there. I'm not trying to cut myself, you know?
Yeah.
Like, you see how it broke?
Yeah. That shit broke right off. It's gonna come straight off, huh?
Yeah, it's sharp as a motherfucker too.
That's what I do, look.
Oh,
Man. My bad, you good? Let me see. Yeah, leave it on there. Yo, what? We good, man. Yes, sir. All right, let's get it, man. Fucking. Yeah, I'm excited. So this is the first part. I'm probably gonna go home. Not probably. I will be going home, trying to figure out what part number this piece is, and if not, I'm just gonna go buy a Ford lug nut bearing for a John Boat trailer. They have like a big website. I found it the other day. Order 2 of them. We're gonna come swap them out, and we should be good to go. I don't think it's gonna be that hard to put it back on,
I don't.
because I feel like
We
the
just need
instructions are gonna be
grease.
like lots of grease,
Lots of grease, just like it
some
says
shop
in-
towels,
Shop towels, yeah.
Nike socks, baby. Nike, holla at me, send me some. Oh shoot! All right, y'all. Yeah, I'm about to head to the house. You about to hit the house?